Welcome back to Drupal Academy. In our previous videos, we have successfully created our APIs and authenticated our APIs using the cookie-based authentication. Now, it's time to move to the front-end side. In this video, we will install Node.js and npm, set up a React project, run React locally. This React app will consume the Drupal APIs that we already created. So without wasting time, let's get started. Before installing React, we need Node.js. Node.js allows us to run JavaScript outside the browser. npm comes with Node.js and is used to install packages like React. React cannot run without Node and the npm. To install Node.js, open your browser and in Google search for download Node.js for Windows and click on nodejs.org/download URL. Download the LTS version from this dropdown. Select the latest LTS version. The LTS is stable and recommended for production projects. Download its .msi file. The download is completed and install it like a normal software. Click on next. Accept the terms. Select the path. So I will keep the default path here. Click on next. Click on next. Click on next. I will keep the default settings. Again click on install. Click on S. The installation is completed. Click on this finish. After that, we need to run these two commands like node-v to check the node version and npm-v to check the node package manager version. For that, you can use the command prompt or the git bash. So I will use the git bash to check the node version and the npm version. Click on this git bash here and write the command node-v. Here you can see node version is 24.12 and same way check the npm version as well. npm version is 11.6.2. If you see version numbers, node and npm are installed successfully. Next step is we will install the React. Before that, we will understand why we use React for the Drupal Headless. So Drupal will handle content, APIs, authentication, and React will handle UI, rendering, API consumption. This separation makes the application faster, more scalable, easier to maintain. This is what we call headless Drupal. Now let's create our React project. In the same terminal, I will write the command that is npm create Vite @latest and our project name Drupal Headless React and hit the enter button. Again enter. From here select the framework we want React. I will use the TypeScript, so I will keep the same option as a TypeScript. You can select JavaScript, hit the enter. For the use roll down Vite, select no. Install with npm and start now. Select the S option here. Now it will create our project and install all packages related to the React. So after installation, it has automatically started the React project as well. Copy this and we'll open our React project in the browser. Paste this link and hit the enter button. So if you are able to see this page, it means we have successfully installed React as well. Open our project in a VS Code. I will show you the file structures. So this is our project. We'll open this in VS Code. File, click on open folder. I will go to drive, projects, and the Drupal Headless React. Yes, I trust this source. In the src folder, you can see app.css, app.tsx, index.css, and the main.tsx. Main.tsx is the entry point. App.tsx is the main component. From this component, we are able to see this text Vite plus React. So if you search that here, Vite plus React here, I will change that. I will add the Drupal Academy and save it. So without refreshing this page, the text changes are applied in the page. This is where we will call Drupal JSON APIs in upcoming videos. In the next video, we will call Drupal JSON API endpoint, fetch nodes, images and fields, display content in the React. So that's it for this tutorial. We have successfully installed Node.js npm and set up the React project. Prepare frontend for Drupal Headless. In the next video, we will connect React with Drupal.js API and render real content. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. If you have any query, please post that in the comments below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.